YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at YooBure. Here we go. Definitely excited for this one. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this item, check it out now. We got the holidays fast approaching, guys. You never know. So we're going to open this up, see what's inside, and have some fun. Alrighty, here we go. Alrighty, guys. This is what it looks like when you get it. We got the manual right on top. So it has a charging power station. So these are really cool to have. Gotta love this new technology. Back in the day, we never had stuff like this, so this should be a good one to get. Get a little extra replacement stickers type. In case you get a scratch or something, you can cover it up. Or this goes on the bottom. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. We got the tools you need all in the envelope. Warranty card. But definitely give them a follow on their social. Instagram is under YooBure. Here's the power. You get 2 USB ports, 2 plugs. You could do, lamps and stuff. You could charge your phone, tablets, desktops, laptops. So we got a lot of stuff put together today. So I'm going to pause this video, and then once I'm done, you'll see what it looks like. Oops. But this is what it looks like when you get it. Really simple to put together. You might need 2 people, but 1 person could definitely put it together. If I could put it together, you could put it together. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have it all set up now. Looks really nice. Kind of rustic. And we got the 2 USB ports. And the 2 plugs. Easy to screw in. And then watch this. Good, you could write stuff on it, write some homework. Pretty much whatever. Put your tablets, your laptops, iPads. Watch this. Boom. I don't know if you guys can see that. You still got room enough to put some stuff in here. Extra cables, adapters, thumb drives, hard drives, Really nice. So definitely, if you're looking for bedroom decor or bedroom furniture, home office furniture, family room, definitely check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that and check it out. Looking really good though. There we go. And then all you gotta do, close it back up. Bada boom. Alright, YouTubers. See you soon.